Today I'm going to be working with my two brand new single action revolvers. This one's a 4.5-inch revolver that I'll be firing off. And this one right here is a 6.5-inch barrel. They're both single action, so I have to pull the hammer back to get them to fire. They're both 22. Now, they're 22 longs, but I also have an extra cylinder, so I can shoot 22 mags out of it. So I'm going to run both types of rounds through the smaller one, and then this one I'll just shoot off some 22s. I want to see how it shoots. I'm going to go at 20 feet for the first shots. Use the 6.5-inch barrel first, and then I'll move over to the 4.5-inch barrel. I have to remove the cylinder to remove the facing so I can put my rounds in. I have to load these one at a time. Can't load them like my Smith & Wesson revolver, the 38. You can just spin the cylinder, but this one you have to do it one at a time. Now these are both 6 shots, so I'll be loading all 6. Usually when I wear it on my side, like this one, it's only got 5 rounds. I carry it under an empty chamber, because if the hammer gets jerked and it hits that round, it could fire off. So when I carry it on my side, I always carry it under an empty chamber. I forgot, these have a safety. For a single action weapon, it's the only one I know of. It's forward now, that's why I didn't fire. I'm aiming a little high. They're actually pretty close. So I'm just going to have to put it down a little lower. As you can see, I can't get the center. It's pretty nice. There's like absolutely no recoil. When Nadia tries it out, she's going to love it. Now, to deload, it's going to be on you. Okay, so it can. It's as easy as that. It's really smooth. Again, it's a 6.5-inch long barrel, so it's pretty nice. Let's load another 6. cowboy style. Like shooting a little BB gun. There's absolutely nothing to this when you fire it. It's so smooth. Done with it now. This thing shoots super smooth. I think Nadia would like it, but it might be a little heavy compared to my 4-inch. So I'm going to move to the 4-inch, and I'm going to put the 22 long rifle cylinder in, and we'll see how the 4-inch goes. This is the spare cylinder. The difference between this cylinder and the 22 mag is this one's fluted. The 22 mag cylinder is not, it's smooth. So this goes to this firearm here. So this will be the 22 long. The one that's in it now is a Magnum cylinder. Take them out real quick and see how this feels with the regular 22 rounds. The difference between the 22 mag round and the 22 long rifle is the 22 mag is a lot longer. It will hold more powder. This is the Magnum thing. It's not fluted. That's how I know the difference. Essentially, they're the same firearm. It's just the length of barrel that's different. So the firearm itself is the same as what I